Earnings season isn't quite over yet. We still have over 300 companies reporting this week, including a lot of the big retailers. And some of them have some of the best charts for earnings for this week. So let's get right to it and see who's hot and who's not. First chart I'm bringing is not actually a retailer, it's Zoes Kitchen, but they have a perfect record going back to their IPO in 2014. The stock has been all over the place, as you can see, and restaurants are now out of favor, so you can see the big drop off here in 2016. But I like the chances of them beating again, given what they've done in the past, so this is one that I would keep my eye on. Plus, restaurants seem like they're in a turnaround story, so that's also an area I'm kind of interested in. So I'll be watching Zoes Kitchen for sure. Another one is, of course, Home Depot. This is probably the big guy, the big kahuna of all retail right now. And I put up the 5-year chart here, and you can see, obviously, it's never missed. Shares look like they kind of topped out earlier this year on some fears about whether or not the consumer was pulling back. So we'll see what they say, this earnings report. But I also brought an extended chart to show you exactly what they've done even before these 5-year was over. And you can see they had their last miss all the way back in 2008. So this chart goes back to 2007. And this is really impressive given what was going on in late 2008 and throughout all of 2009. We had the Great Recession then. Retail was down in the dumps, and you can see shares were only $18. And they're trading now over $100. So big rebound for Home Depot. Great earnings track record. So if you're going to bet on anything this week, you might want to watch this one. And then the third one is also a retailer, TJX. I always call it TJ Maxx, even though that's just one of its chains. But they also own Marshalls and Home Goods, which could be an interesting play if the consumer starts spending more now. A lot of the feeling out there is that now that the election is over, people might be spending more on their homes and obviously on apparel. So this is a chain you want to keep your eye on. They do have the 2 misses there in 2014, but I'm kind of going to forgive them because they have a great track record since then. So I would be watching this as well on the retail side. So there's still some great charts out there, and I'm going to cover them for the rest of this week. Earnings season is winding down, so we're going to see a little bit less going forward here. But if you want to know the options trades on any of these, be sure to check in with Zach's Live Trader with Dave Bartosiak. And I know that Eric Dutram is doing earnings previews on several of these, so you can check out his videos as well. I'll have more for you, so stay tuned for the best earnings charts right here on Zacks.com.